In 12 on Schools, test scores show that American students lag behind in math when compared to Eastern countries. So one district in southwestern Connecticut has paired up with a company from India to advance its math curriculum. Our education reporter Erica Zaki is here to explain.
Well, Becky, Westport is one of only a few districts in the nation using a program called HeyMath. The concept of math is still the same, but how it's taught is completely different.
Say goodbye to textbooks.
There's no book that covers math the way that we do.
And say hello to a program called HeyMath.
This is quadrant one.
This is the new approach to teaching math at Coleytown Middle School.
Our curriculum actually is hosted, it lives on servers in Singapore, and it's managed by this company, HeyMath.
The biggest change that I see is that the kids are much more engaged this year. Very good.
Simply put, HeyMath is a computer program. Westport comes up with the curriculum. HeyMath creates the games and lesson plans.
You can graph your own picture at home.
I think it's easier for us to learn because she shows us instead of tells us.
I'm having a little trouble with dividing integers, and I know I went on HeyMath and there was a game and a lesson, and that really helped, and it made it interesting at the same time.